The World Health Organization states that lead is a cumulative toxin which affects the body and is particularly harmful to young children. Whilst lead is a naturally occurring element, the levels found in drinking water are rarely from natural sources. In fact, lead is often introduced into our drinking water from plumbing fittings, solder, and pipes. This introduced lead can dissolve into drinking water, particularly where water has been sitting in contact with certain plumbing products and fittings for prolonged periods of stagnation. Exposure to high levels of lead can cause damage to the brain, digestive system, central nervous system, your overall body, cardiovascular system, kidneys, and reproductive system. Children and those with pre-existing illness are most at risk from lead poisoning. In some cases, documented low levels of exposure for a sustained period of time has resulted in a permanent reduction in cognitive ability and can cause hyperactivity in children. Our GalvinClear Lead Safe products have been redesigned and re-engineered to provide safer water delivery by utilising specialist materials such as stainless steel or plastic materials that are free of lead, and DZR brass, which is low in lead. Our GalvinClear Lead Safe products are ahead of the industry benchmark and have significantly less lead in them than allowed by Australia's watermark scheme. This is just another way in which Galvin Engineering are working towards water solutions for a healthier environment. For more detailed information, please read our white paper on improving water quality in Australian schools and hospitals at the link provided.